Now, Tim Treadless is your sort of outlier, if you will, of the next gen paddock. This is because he doesn't have any rookie stripes, which you may think is not movie accurate, but yeah, it indeed is movie accurate. The lack of rookie stripes. Another reason why I think that is because besides Jackson Storm, Tim is the only next gen to have some form of a backstory. And if you're wondering what the backstory is, I'll briefly tell you. So I think Tim and Jackson were both inducted into Big's racing school or something like that. Then I think Storm got disqualified or something like that because of unsportsmanlike behaviour. And Tim was one of the main candidate to go forward with racing. Does that make sense? Go into the Piston Cup and you replace the veterans. I think that's how the story goes, but I'm not 100% sure. But I do have a question about that. Is why Tim Treadless in particular? Why not, like Danny Swerves or Chase Raceler? Because those guys have always been NASCAR drivers, whereas Tim isn't. He's just the standard background character, so I don't know why they gave him a backstory, but that's something to think about. Still, let's carry on. He races for Nitroade. He's one of my favourite next gens. Yeah, if not my favourite next gen. Yeah, Flipped Over's up there as well. And well said. So, oh yes, he came in about halfway through the 2016 Piston Cup season where he replaced Phil Sankson, my favourite Cars 3 stock car. I do love Nitroade, but for whatever reason, Aiken Axler isn't my favourite Cars 1 stock car. He's definitely in the top half. Heck, maybe even the top 10. Yeah, still, back to Tim. Still, he's a Thailand variant, 2023. Number 28, of sort of flame-esque design. Around the 28. There's some white, outlines. Yeah, white trim. Trim? Is that the correct word? I don't know. Give it a little contrast, I think. Still, the Piston, contingency sponsors are the same with the other next gen, so don't need to go over them. Black rims with black light year tyres. I think that font's really interesting. A light year font. And I completely understand that they wanted to, of course, the next gens, they wanted to, be futuristic, but why that font? Still, no rookie stripes. As I mentioned earlier, these are actually movie accurate. It looks like a split, black and orange. I guess orange really is the new black. Well, actually, do you know that Leah Delaria's in that? Who voices Miss Fritter? Yeah. Interesting. Still a Nitroade logo, very simple. The O kind of reminds me of a tyre, but not the most conventional tyre shape, if you ask me. Well, yeah, look at what else did I say? Number 28. And yeah, I think that's all there is to say. Hey, Have a great day, folks.